reminder that following our last category, 36 plus, once that's done, we have about 10 minutes. We have the pleasure and honor of having John Gabilou from Gabilou singing for us during that time, so looking forward to that. Judges are ready. Good luck, girls. Ori. That's why we have some of our dance-offs. They just want to make sure that they see everything that they need to. They're working really hard to pay super close attention to all of their technique because they know that these dancers have worked super hard to practice for today. Thank you, dancers. That's it. Cheer them.